In this video, I'm going to show you how you can share your live location on Google Maps. The first thing you need to do is to log into Google Maps. And once you log into Google Maps, go to the right corner here and click on it to expose your address. From here, click on location sharing. From here, select the option share location. And then you'll have to give consent for Google Maps to access your contacts. Go ahead and click on allow. Now this will open up a list of your contacts that you have, and you have to go ahead and choose from them so that you can share the location with them. Alternatively, we have other platforms down here, as you can see here, that you can share your live location. So if you want to share your live location maybe with someone on social media, you can as well go ahead and do so. However, if you want to share your location with contacts on your phone book, use the list that is here on top here. Select the contact and then share with your contact. Now, one thing you have to note is that you can choose the duration you want to share your location depending on the time you wish to share your live location. Alternatively, you can choose to turn it off manually, and to do so, choose this option until you turn off. When you choose this option, it means you will switch off your live location whenever you want. Now, one thing you have to note is that when you share your live location, the contact you have shared your live location with will be able to access your details, your names, your contact, and the location you are, as long as this is on and as long as you are connected. So it is recommended to share your live location for a specific period of time or that particular time that the need arises. So if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.